Hey Bio30, I'm back again with another short video to explain substitution mutations. So when you have your original DNA, consider this the correct version of DNA, and this one, the sequence is AAA, ATG, CTT, CTC, and you can see there's the mRNA that it would be transcribed into, and here's the amino acid sequence if I looked it up on a codon wheel. Now, in my first example of a mutation, we're going to see that we have a substitution right here where this T has been substituted for a C. Everything else is the same. AAA, ATG, CT, here's my substitution, and then we're back to CTC, which is the same. So I'm only going to focus right here where my substitution mutation is. Now we have a codon that codes for mRNA, that's GAG. Now if I look this up on my codon wheel, it still codes for the same amino acid, glue, as the original. So when we code for the same amino acid, the substitution has not really changed the amino acid sequence. We call that a silent substitution because you wouldn't even really notice it with the protein. Now the next example I'm going to show you is this one. So we still have the same original DNA. Remember, this is kind of like the right DNA. Now with this one, I have a substitution right here in my second set of triplet letters here. It should be ATG, and I have ATT. Everything else is the same as the original, so this is just a substitution. But this ATT, when I transcribe that into mRNA, it's UAA. When I look that up on my codon wheel, it codes for stop. So anytime a base pair substitution codes for stop, we say that's a nonsense mutation because the protein would not be made. The polypeptide chain would stop. And then the third type of substitution mutation that we need to learn about is one that causes a missense. So in this one, we can see that my first set of 3 letters is the same as the original. My second set of 3 letters is the same as the original. My mutation here is in the third set where my C has been substituted for a T, and then everything else is back to normal after that. However, this mutation will code for an mRNA that's AAA. And when I look that up on my codon wheel, that codes for lysine. So that's changing my amino acid. And when that happens, we call that a missense substitution because it changes the amino acid. All right, hope this helps with base pair substitutions.